Most container gardens don't fail because people can't grow food. They fail because people stop planting. A lot of us initially can testify to that. We planted once, we harvested once, and that's usually the moment people think, my garden failed. But the garden didn't fail, the planting schedule did. While we talk about how to prevent your container gardens from failing, we'll be going on a little adventure. Yeah, we'll be grilling these June plums. Yeah. So instead of having them the normal way or juicing them, I was thinking, what can I do with these June plums aside from stewing them? And I was looking at them and I thought, they are dry. Why not grill them? I mean, duh. So they'll be great on the grill. I'm like, girl, you never thought of that before? But anyways, better late than never. Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. I thank you all so much for tuning in. As always, I appreciate you all. I want to take the time out to wish all of you beautiful mothers out there a happy Mother's Day. You are a phenomenal woman. Today is your special day. May you feel appreciated, loved, and cherished for all that you do. Have a fantastic day, and may God continue to bless and keep all of you. All right, so let's get into saving our container gardens. A lot of us initially can testify to that. We planted once, we harvested once, and that's usually the moment people think, my garden failed. But the garden didn't fail, the planting schedule did. This is called succession planting. It simply means planting in stages instead of all at once. For example, I plant some cabbages today. I may plant some next week or the other week and then plant after that. So instead of one big harvest, I get smaller harvests continuously. You get me? So that is why you'll see different stages in my backyard all the time. All right, so let's get the grill started. I also have a little chicken breast. So I decided I am going to grill a little chicken breast with them as well. I can't wait to taste them with the different dressing that I have and see which one I love it best with. Guys, if you hear the busy bees in my ears, all right, so while I wait on the grill to get ready, I'm going to get these baby washed up and let's talk. So they are all washed up and ready. I'm going to dry them and season them. Think about the grocery stores. They don't stock everything once for the whole year. They constantly restock. A productive garden works the same way. Each time you harvest, you replace. You harvest, you replace. That's how it is, right? So yes, that cycle is what keeps the garden alive. Container gardens also stop producing because containers are limited environments. You're working with limited soil, limited nutrients, limited space. So once a plant finishes, that container needs new life. So replenish your soil. Add some compost, add some manure, bury some kitchen scraps, whatever you do, replenish your soil. You can't expect one container to feed you forever without maintenance. That is not realistic. We're going to use this grill basket, and this is a chicken breast we're going to grill. The oil and the seasoning that we're going to use. And I have a little spoon. All right, so I am just going to season these a bit and rest them aside until the fire is ready. Guys, I got some new set of coal, and trust me, mm, no good. The first one that I had was from the country mommy gave me. Going to have to let her give me some more. The one that I'm using now, I bought him put more here. Mm-mm. Anyways, oh, for those who don't know, coal, I'm referring to the charcoal in the fire. So I am just going to load up this baby. These. As soon as the fire is ready, I'll just set them on and do the grill breast. All right, so let's set these June plums on, and I'm going to set the grill on as well. Let it eat up. So a lot of people quit gardening because they expect instant abundance. Some wouldn't mind having a backyard food forest in 1 month, but gardens take rhythm. It takes consistency and patience. When I started, I didn't have everything figured out. I just kept planting. No, you don't need land space to practice succession planting. That's the beautiful thing about containers. You can rotate the crops even if you're in a small space. Herbs, lettuce, callaloo, peppers, scallions, or green onions, those are actually perfect for continuous planting. So if you're a beginner, don't overcomplicate this. All right, there's a simple system to start with. One container this week, another next week, and after that, another. That alone changes everything. Always remember this: consistency beats intensity in gardening. A garden isn't just one planting day, it's an ongoing relationship, right? So, of course, you're going to learn the seasons, when to plant what, and all of that. You will eventually get the right timing. You will definitely learn patience. And of course, observation will also become one of your strongest traits in the garden. Honestly, gardening changed the way I think about food completely. When you keep planting, you create stability. You stop depending completely on one source. And that matters more now than ever. I'm pretty sure a lot of you can attest to that. Guys, I got so busy doing what I was doing and didn't remember my June plug. And they were burning. They were burning. So I'm going to keep a closer watch. Get these chicken breasts in. So this is more than gardening to me. It's peace of mind. So if your container garden stopped producing, don't think you failed. You probably just stopped the cycle. Keep planting, keep learning, keep growing. All right, so I'm going to take off these June plums and set them aside, let them cool. Yeah, we're going to have a few of them together. So I have these breadfruits. I have actually have four of them. So I'm going to set them on since I have the fire. Yeah, I'm just making use of it. So I'm setting on these two, and then when I'm done with this fire, I'm going to set on the other two. A successful garden isn't built in one day. It takes time, step by step. But if I can do it, you definitely can do it too. Thank you. All right, yes. So I am so excited to taste these June plums. No, before I start with the sauce, I just want to taste it. I'm trying to get the feel of what it tastes like. It just tastes real. Tastes the very same. Just have a little grill, smoky flavor kind of thing coming from it. But it is good. Now I want to try it with this sauce, but I want to taste piece of the chicken. Alright, so this is Dijon mustard. This is Thousand Island, and this is ranch. This is water. Anyways, alright, so this is a vinaigrette, balsamic. So yes, we're tasting them with everybody. So I want to start with the Thousand Island. Mm-mm, mm. This is good. Mm, man, that was good. Oh, this is the ranch. It's a cut up. Mm-mm, mm, mm. Guys, I wish I could actually let you taste with me. Hold on. Let me shake this up so everything can combine together. So, I love me some balsamic vinaigrette. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm. This is good. Mm, mm. Uh-huh. Dijon mustard now. Guys, I can't wait to come off camera to go and bad. Okay, I'll go and bad out of here. Let you all see me. Alright, so let's see what it is like with the mustard. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. Guys, mm, all of this good with it. All of these good with it. I'm telling you. Mm-mm. Which one is the favorite? I don't know. I really don't. I enjoy all of them. Mm-mm. Alright guys, so this is where I'll leave you for today. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.